For me, as a student, it's the 24th year's Dental World. As an organizer, it's the 9th year. So I'm really happy to be the part of it. And this year, what I really like that there were a lot of really good quality competitive programs. On one hand, there are less people sometimes in my room, but for me it's really good that if you come into the Dental World all access ticket, for example, you can choose the best, and the more better production and lecturers and speakers. My name is Gergely Benyőcs. I am the organizer of the professional part of the Endodontic Congress at Dental World. This year was, in my opinion, really successful and also get the feedback from the audience. For this year, our idea was to invite less speakers, however, they have to talk hours. For example, on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday morning, they had to speak 2 times 1.5 hours. It means that we had the chance to get deep into details and go into the topic very detailed. I was lucky to invite really famous speakers from around the world, which are on one hand clinicians and researchers, and also on the other hand real clinicians. It means what they teach, what they research, they can do it in the real life practice. This combination is the key of the success, and we can get a real-time feedback of everyday practice, what we are dealing with during the science. It is really hard to find one lecturer or one speaker or something because all were really amazing. I could mention Mohamed Zafrani, I could mention Shannon Patel, Emmanuel Silva, etc. But all of us were really nice. However, what was for me really interesting that I learned again. After one point, I could say that I attended thousands of lectures, so what can I learn? But I can learn every day, and these speakers were really amazing, and also the other ones. So I suggest every day to come back and refresh your knowledge, because lifelong continuous learning is the key, because there is a statistic that in every 5 years we are forgetting more than 50% of our knowledge. But the problem is we don't know which 50% will it be. For me, as a student, it's the 24th year's Dental World. As an organizer, it's the 9th year. So I'm really happy to be the part of it. And this year, what I really like that there were a lot of really good quality competitive programs. On one hand, there are less people sometimes in my room, but for me it's really good that if you come into the Dental World all access ticket, for example, you can choose the best, and the more better production and lecturers and speakers. So it is the message. Come to the Dental World because you can choose high quality lecturers in all the field of dentistry. But endodontics, of course, is the best choice. For me, the best part is that we can meet each other, we can shake our hands. During the COVID, it turned out that the people are missing the personal relationship. And you can come free to the Dental World exhibition area, you can meet friends, you can have a discussion, you can ask from the lecturers. And as a human being, I think is the most important things that we can meet each other in a really high quality environment. You can drink a coffee, you can eat, you can drink wines and champagne, you can have a massage. So many things are there which is worth to come to Dental World. In my opinion, Dental World is the best and valuable congress in this region. Come in 2025 to Budapest. It's a world choice.